Okay, hello guys. So, we're going to be doing an anime tier list, and this is like my third attempt, so I already have some of them organized at the top. And so, starting off, we have Words Will Like Soda Pop. That is going to be put into high tier, mainly because I have a lot of nostalgia from it. It's just because I would watch it when I was really little, over and over again. So yeah. Fairy Tail, top tier. Okay, I don't care what anyone says about Fairy Tail. That show was so peak. But there's one specific anime that I planned out for God tier. And so, yeah. Also, I am just going to be skipping over the ones I haven't seen. So, Fire Force. It's pretty good. Shield Hero. If we're counting the beginning alone, it'd be Why Does This Exist? Like, genuinely. But altogether, it was a really good anime, and I personally loved it. Average isekai. One main character, and then a bunch of random women fawning over him. So, I'd say high tier, pretty good. Dr. Stone and both the Narutos. I'll go into mid-tier. Okay. Dr. Stone was really good, but I don't know, it kind of gets boring after a while, and it also, I don't know, well, like, Dr. Stone was good, but I feel like it just could have been better. And both of the Narutos, I know people kind of hate me for that decision, but for one, I don't care, it's my own tier list, and for two, I really just think it's a really important anime, sure, but it's really only that good for being a beginner anime, which is why I'm going to put all Narutos I find in here. Also, I personally have not watched Dragon Ball yet, but that's just automatically gonna be, I'm not gonna put it on the tier list, but just because this is the only animes I have watched, and I've watched a little bit of I've watched some of Naruto, and so the Dragon Ball franchise is not going to be put on the on the tier list, sorry. It's not going to be put on the tier list, but just know, if I were to, then it would be God tier. Tiradura, Why Does This Exist? It was such a peak show, but actually, you know what? No. I'd rather die than watching this. It's just, it was such a good show, but the ending, I'm not gonna spoil it for anyone who wants to. Just know I hated the ending. Let's see if we can find anything else. Oh, Hunter x Hunter. I watched some of Hunter x Hunter. Pretty good. Also. Okay, here we have Bleach. Not low tier. I'm definitely gonna put Bleach at, I want to put it at high mid-tier or low high tier. So, top of mid or bottom of high. I think I'm going to put bottom of high tier. Just because it's, it's a good anime, but I don't know. Kuroko's Basketball. Oh, this is actually what I'm... This is actually the anime I'm watching currently. And so far, I haven't gone too far, but so far, I'd say it's a pretty good anime. So I'm going to put that at high tier. Demon Slayer's over here. Let me just... Again, haven't made it far in Demon Slayer. That is definitely something that I need to do. But I'm going to put this, I'm I'm gonna put this around here. Anyway. Man, I haven't seen Boruto, but I just know that people slander it for how crappy it is. I think I've seen some stuff on it as well. Ooh, Seven Deadly Sins. I personally love the show. Funny enough, kind of funny. I watched it whenever I was 7 with one of my siblings. So, that's fun. I was also having intrusive thoughts, so they forced me to stop because they thought that was the reason why I was having intrusive thoughts. Spoiler alert, that was not the reason, like, at all. I still had intrusive thoughts after that, and I just couldn't watch my favorite anime as well. I actually have nostalgia from this anime, strangely enough. It was just some random anime that I found one day, and I was like, this is peak. Looking back on it now, it's not that peak, but that, like, mid. This anime was good. And I watched a little bit of this anime because I was bored. So, we have these two, I guess. This anime... Hold up. Let me just put them. Okay, so this one right here was kind of good, but also kind of bad. It was like... I'm gonna put that top mid tier for me. And then this is just a random one. Actually, not even top mid tier, it's just mid. Mob Psycho 100. Okay, so Mob 100 is definitely a really good anime. I'm gonna put that, like... Oh, I don't know if these two are, like, fighting with bottom high tier. Because it's definitely not mid, but... So I'm gonna say Bleach is still. But, like, it's close. It's very close, those two. So, here is our next victim. It's high tier. Okay, it's not even top tier. It is high tier. Okay, and I have to explain myself here, probably. It's a very good anime, very relevant stuff, but I feel like I made it to about Water 7. Like, whenever they're trying to save, like, Robin and Frankie or whatever. And, then I just kind of quit there. And I just think that it's a very good anime, and it's very well, and, like, the story is very well made, but the pacing could have been better. Like, they could have gotten rid of a lot of unnecessary scenes and episodes, and it's just, like, I don't know, I just think they could have made it a bit shorter, because I'm not gonna be watching over 1,000 episodes, just to catch up with a show that's not even over. And at this rate, may not even ever end. Okay, I found my next victim. Maybe I should stop calling these victims. That kind of gives off a vibe that I don't want to give off. Oh, wait. Okay, I found my next subject. I'm no longer calling them victims. Okay, I forgot what this is called, but, this will be put in, like, just random spawn high tier.